I bought dozens of watch brands over the years, and Vaer is the only brand that makes watches not only look good, but also can handle anything and everything. Inspired by the Rolex Explorer 2, the G2 Pacific Steel carries over that classic adventure watch DNA while giving it a more modern Vaer twist. The G2 comes in at 39mm with a 46mm lug-to-lug and a slim 10.4mm case thickness. For reference, my wrist is 6 3/4 inches, and this size hits that versatile sweet spot that works on almost any wrist. This is the ultimate go anywhere, do anything watch. The dial on the G2 Pacific Steel is absolutely beautiful. I literally can't stop staring at it. The beige hour markers pop against the black dial, giving it a warm, vintage-inspired feel. The pop of orange, especially on the GMT hand, adds just the right amount of contrast against that black and silver case. The case has a fully rounded ergonomic shape that makes it extremely comfortable on the wrist. I took this watch swimming on the beaches of Maui and hiking in torrential rain in the forests of Puerto Rico, and it never once felt bulky or uncomfortable. The case is made from 316L stainless steel, which is the same materials that high-end watches uses, because it's super resistant to corrosion, rust, and everyday wear. The watch also features a single domed sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating, which means it's going to stay clear and scratch-free over time. And you don't have to baby it. Sapphire is one of the hardest materials that you can put on a watch, so it can handle practically anything that you throw at it. With 150 meters of water resistance, the G2 can easily handle swimming, surfing, and recreational diving. I wore this watch while cliff jumping in Puerto Rico and snorkeling in Hawaii, and it never missed a beat. Zero issues, zero moisture, just dependable performance. But just make sure the screw down crown is secured before getting it wet. Once locked, you're good to go. The watch features an aluminum 24-hour GMT bezel with a 120-click bi-directional mechanism. The bezel is perfect for travelers, adventurers, and basically anyone who needs a quick, reliable access to another time zone. The turn of the bezel feels solid. There's very little back pay, and it clicks into place cleanly. If you're like me who likes to fidget with things, turning his bezel just feels so satisfying. Inside the G2 Pacific Steel, you're getting a Swiss Ronda quartz GMT movement. Simple, reliable, and super low maintenance. It's one of those movements you can set once and pretty much forget about. With a 40-month battery life, you won't be swapping batteries often. And with an accuracy of -10 plus 20 seconds per month, that is far better than most GMTs out there. The GMT hand is easy to use and really handy if you travel, keep track of another time zone, or just like the added functionality. It's straightforward, clean, and does exactly what it's supposed to do without a fuss. Vaer didn't skip on Lume either. The dial features 15 layers of old radium super luminova, and the hour, minute, second, and GMT hands are all coded as well. This gives the watch a Vaer Lume performance rating of 9 out of 10, making it incredibly legible in low light conditions. Something that sets Vaer apart from other watch brands and its price range is that the G2 is assembled in the US. The final assembly and quality control are done domestically, which adds a layer of accountability and attention to detail that you don't always get with outsourced production. Vaer is the largest independent watch assembler in the USA, and they proudly print it on their dial. Out of the box, the G2 comes with the FKM rubber ocean strap, which is a big step up from standard silicone. FKM is soft, flexible, and extremely resistant to heat, chemicals, and salt water. It's built to last and it's comfortable straight away. No long break-in periods needed. The Vaer also lets you choose a second strap. You can go with a NATO leather strap or a steel bracelet. I opted for the premium Jubilee bracelet, and it is absolutely stunning. Made from 316L stainless steel, it feels extremely high quality. The matte outer links keep things subtle, while the polished inner links add just the right amount of shine. It pairs perfectly with the GMT watch and looks great whether you're keeping it casual or dressing up a bit. It's a bracelet that's both stylish and practical. The bracelet tapers nicely and includes 4 micro adjustments, so you're guaranteed to get the perfect fit. And of course, it comes with Vaer's signature quick release spring bars, so swapping straps takes just seconds. Here are some of my favorite outfits to style with the G2. To keep it casual with the FKM straps, I like to pair this watch with some raw selvage Japanese denim, my favorite heavyweight tee from Wonder Looper, and a wax jacket from Taylor Stitch. The G2 rugged go anywhere aesthetic works really well with raw selvage Japanese denim. The texture and depth of the fabric balances nicely against the matte case finish. Up top, the wax jacket adds some visual weight and has that same adventure ready look that complements the GMT watch aesthetic. For a more formal occasion with a premium Jubilee steel bracelet, I like to pair this watch with my favorite navy suit along with my leather loafers from Huckberry. The deep stainless steel dial of the G2 blends really well with the suit's color while adding just a bit of contrast with its brushed aluminum bezel and polished accents on the bracelet. The Jubilee steel bracelet really helps dress up the watch without making it feel out of place. At 39mm, the case stays subtle and appropriate for semi-formal or even full-on formal events. I've worn it to weddings and work events and it never looks out of place. After wearing the G2 Pacific Steel for several weeks, it's clear that this watch is built for everyday wear. It's easily one of the most well-rounded GMTs for under $500. It blends a vintage-inspired design with modern materials, a reliable Swiss Rondo quartz GMT movement, excellent lume, and versatile strap and bracelet options. The G2 can go anywhere, from traveling to different time zones to weekend adventures in the outdoors. It's tough enough to handle just about anything that you throw at it. Whether you're a long-time watch collector or just want that one dependable watch that can handle everyday wear, travel, and outdoor adventures, I can't recommend the G2 Pacific Steel enough. Click my link in the description to check out their collection, and I promise that you won't be disappointed. Let me know in the comments what you think of the G2 Pacific Steel, and thanks for watching.